This next exercise is called squat pails and rails, meaning we're gonna try and expand our range of motion in our squatting position. So what I'm gonna have you do is you're gonna try to have both feet flat on the ground. We're gonna place the inside, our hands on the insides of our feet underneath our arches, and you're gonna place your feet underneath. So we're in the squatted position. You wanna try to stay as upright as possible. Many of you may be a little bit hunched forward, and that's okay, but you wanna try to sit back into your heels here. What we're gonna do is you're gonna slowly drive your butt up towards the ceiling, but your hands are going to be trapped underneath your toes. So we're just gonna, it's all about the intent and pushing upwards towards the ceiling, keeping our back flat and straight. So we're driving up, and you wanna slowly increase that intensity from 10% all the way to 100% of your maximum effort. So we're gonna drive up, hold that for 10 seconds or whatever prescribed amount of time that you're given. After that allotted time, we're gonna sit further into the squat, driving our knees up into our chest, driving the butt down to the ground, again, trying to keep our back straight and flat.